Coming up to date here, also we have the 2254R. Now this is really a 2254E unit and has the same technology in it as the 1073 and the 1084. And this sets it aside from the 33609, which is sort of a later Class AB technology, which is nearer akin to the 1081. Not the same, not quite the same, but going that direction. This unit here replicates the 2254E specification, but has recall on it, which complements the 8801 input module which comes from the 88R, and also the 8816, which are more current, up-to-date products.